Hello folks, this is Matthew with RSHEngineering. We're at a re-inspection of a final walkthrough, and we had actually pointed out that this lintel was not installed properly, and right now they took out some of it, only for us to find out that they did not put any flashing between the lintel and the sheathing there. So they took out all of the bricks. The initial reason for them to start working on this lintel was because RSHEngineering pointed out that the lintel was bowed, and that if you can look over here, there were cracks in the brick and mortar directly below it. That was one thing that we found out, and that lintel was not centered over the opening. So if you come over here, we'll find out that this side, the lintel is not bearing on the bricks, minimum of 4 inches as per code. So they started opening up this area, only to find out the lintel was not bolted to the header behind it. And also they started, right here you can see they started drilling the hole in the lintel, and they're going to start installing some screws, lag screws in there. You guys going to do about every 24 inches? They're going to put the screws every 24 inch on center. As you can see, they got it marked. And the lag screws that they were going to use was about 3 inches, and we told them that's not going to be long enough, so they're getting much longer screws, because there's a 1 inch gap behind the lintel and the sheathing. So they're going to be putting in some shims behind it as well to keep the lintel straight, and then they're going to screw in the lag screws into the LVL header, which is what the builder said is behind there. So it looks like we're going to get this thing addressed properly by this builder, and they will go back and put the flashing in between the lintel and the sheathing there, and tape it down properly, staple and tape it down properly, so that there will be no leaks. They've temporarily supported it, as you can see right there, per my instruction, and is well on its way. They're doing a pretty good job of repairing this thing. So I just want to let you know, this is what RSHEngineering can do for you. We can help you identify things like this at the final walkthrough. Better yet, if you use us for phase inspections, we can catch some of these things ahead of time before we discovered at the final walkthrough. You don't believe me, nobody wants to see this happening at the final walkthrough. We should do it and catch it at the phase inspections, and we'll be able to catch this for you. You guys have a wonderful day. I just want to give you a progress on one of the issues that we found on this final walkthrough on this home. Take care. Bye-bye.